morning to all of you. Myself Saloni. I am a student of class 10A. Here I am going to describe the topic Ohm's law, which is given by our physics teacher Vikas Jha sir as a project work. So without any further delay, I am going to start my topic. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing in a circuit is directly proportional to the applied potential difference and inversely proportional to the resistance in the circuit if the physical condition remains same. So let's take an example to understand this statement. Two beakers are connected by a pipe and one of the beaker is placed at a height above the other and the water will flow from this beaker to this one. This happens due to the height difference that makes the water flow from the beaker on top to the one at the bottom. If I increase the height difference, the flow of water will be faster. So we can say that the flow of water is directly proportional to the height difference. Now let's look at another factor, how thin the pipe is. What will happen if I make the pipe thinner? The flow of water will be slower. That's correct. Thinner the pipe, slower the flow. So we can say that the flow is inversely proportional to thinness. Looking at these two relations, we can say that the flow is equal to H over T. The flow is directly proportional to the height difference and inversely proportional to the thinness. Why did I give you this example? Because it's analogous to the Ohm's law. The flow of water is analogous to the flow of current. The height difference is analogous to the voltage or potential difference, and the thinness is analogous to the resistance. The flow of current is directly proportional to the potential difference between the points and inversely proportional to the resistance. If the potential difference between 2 points is more, the current flowing through it will be more. And if the resistance is more, the current flowing through will be lesser. This is assuming that the other factors are constant. This is the basic concept of Ohm's law, and there are many different ways in which we can understand it. So this is all about Ohm's law. Hope you all like it. Thanks.